Students, in today's class we'll be discussing functions. What is function? Before starting function, we'll first revise what we have discussed till now. In chapter number 1 we have discussed sets, right? A well-defined collection of objects is called set. Then we came to Cartesian product. Here we have discussed when we have two sets A and B, the Cartesian product is defined by A cross B, where its elements are A comma B. A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. Cartesian product are applied between two sets. Then we came to relations. In relations we have discussed relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Some relations were given there. And now we are coming to function. The function is called a special type of relation. Special type of relation means function is a relation which is a special type. What do we mean by special type? Special type means it is with one condition. What is that condition? That every element should have a unique image. Every element should have unique image. Now to understand this line, I have taken 3 examples. By that 3 example, we will be discussing what is function. I have told unique image, unique output, right? जैसे आप देखो यहाँ पे first element is input, you also tell it domain. Second is output, which is range. For every input we should have a unique image. Unique का मतलब अगर 2 पे मुझे 1 मिला है तो 2 पे कुछ और नहीं मिलना चाहिए. देखो यहाँ पे 2 पे 1 है, 3 पे 1 है, 4 पे 2 है. मीन्स हर डिफरेंट आउटपुट पे मेरा आउटपुट कुछ आ रहा है. सेम इनपुट पे 2 आउटपुट नहीं आना चाहिए. जैसे आप सेकेंड एग्जांपल देखो, प्लीज पे अटेंशन इन दिस 2 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. 2 का आउटपुट 2 भी है और 2 का आउटपुट 4 भी है. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल सेकेंड वन, वी आर नॉट हैविंग यूनिक इमेज. यूनिक का मतलब समझते हैं ना, 2 पे 2 मिल रहा है तो 2 के अलावा कुछ नहीं मिलना चाहिए, राइट? तो 2 पे 2 भी मिल रहा है, 4 भी मिल रहा है, मीन्स वी विल बी सेइंग इट इज नॉट हैविंग अ यूनिक इमेज, मीन्स दिस इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. एक और आसान तरीका होता है चेक करने का. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट देखो रिलेशन में, 2 फर्स्ट एलिमेंट सेम नहीं होना चाहिए. जैसे यहाँ पे 2 3 4 सेम है क्या? फर्स्ट एलिमेंट नहीं है. ऐसे भी आप चेक करते हैं, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एलिमेंट सेम है, ऑब्वियसली बात है सेम है, 2 बार लिखा है तो सेकेंड एलिमेंट अलग अलग होगा, मतलब यूनिक इमेज नहीं होगा. Likewise here you can say first elements are different 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So it is having a unique image. So first one is a function, third one is a function, second one is not a functions, right? To understand more, we have exercise 2.3, question number 1. Just pay attention here. Exercise 2.3, question number 1. Here you can see that which of the following relations are function that we need to check. You just check first element common है क्या? नहीं है, this is a function. Second देखो 2 4 6 8 10 12 14, right? तो यहाँ पे भी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट डिफरेंट है, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ फंक्शन. अब आप थर्ड में आओगे तो देखो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट सेम आ रहा है फर्स्ट और सेकंड ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में, मीन्स दिस इज नॉट अ फंक्शन, राइट? फर्स्ट एलिमेंट सेम होगा तो यूनिक इमेज नहीं होगा. यहाँ पे आपके फर्स्ट एलिमेंट सेम है तो 1 पे 3 भी आउटपुट है, 1 पे 5 भी आउटपुट है, मीन्स वी आर नॉट गेटिंग अ यूनिक आउटपुट, तो दिस इज नॉट अ फंक्शन, राइट? इट इज अ रिलेशन. आर यू गेटिंग और नॉट, राइट? सो other things are same. Domain is what the first element, range is what the second element. So I hope this is clear. Suppose one more example I write. A relation is given to me, 2 1 3 2 5 4 2 7. Now I will be asking this is a relation or not. So what is my rule? First element same नहीं होना चाहिए. तो देखो first element 2 3 5 2, ये 2 repeat कर रहा है, this 2 is repeating, So you can say, sir, this is not a function, right? Because 2 is not having unique output. 2 का output 1BA, 2 का output 7BA. So I hope with this example, functions definition related to relation is clear to all of you, right? Domain will be what? Domain is what? The first element, as we were calculating in relations. Like in the first part, it is a function, so I can say domain is 2, 3, 4, first element. Third part ka domain is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First element is domain. Range के लिए, range is the second element. I can say here range is 1, 1, 2, means range is 1, 2 for the first part, and for the second part the range is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I hope with this example, with this video, the concept of function in terms of ordered pair is clear to all of you. We can also write the definition of function as given in the NCERT. A relation f from set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. That is what we were discussing, right?